welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to try something new. We're going to be making lamb racks, and we're going to be doing it in two ways to see which way is better. We're going to do a dry rub, and we're also going to use a wet marinade, and we want to see which one gives us a better flavor. So let's go over the lamb. So I got this from Costco. It's 1.6 pounds. Only costs us $21. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this, slice this into individual ribs, and then we'll start our marinade and dry rub process. For the dry rub, we have cumin seeds, Sichuan peppercorn, coriander seed, black pepper, and red pepper. So here we have our lamb racks all prepared. I'm going to start with the dry rub portion, and then we'll come back to the wet marinade. So for the dry rub, all we have to do is add all these ingredients in here. We're going to grind them up into fine powder, apply it to our lamb. So we're going to save just a little bit of these for when we grill the lamb rack and add that as a final touch-up. So now we'll put our lamb into a Ziploc bag and we'll let it sit overnight. We'll also put some diced onion in the bag to help get rid of some of the gaminess. So now we'll prepare our wet marinade. We'll start off with 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of shaoxin wine, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. We will have 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. We will also add some more cumin seed in here. Then we mix. So now we'll put our other half of the lamb into another Ziploc bag with a handful of onion, and we're gonna pour our marinade inside. So here we go, we have the dry rub version and the wet marinade version. A little fun facts about ourselves, we actually are not a big fan of the gaminess of the lamb, but we've had some good lambs in the past, and when it doesn't have the gaminess, it is really amazing. So we want to see which method is going to be better at eliminating the gaminess of the lamb. I personally think the wet one is better for this. What do you think, Bessie?
I think the dry one will be a little bit better.
All right, we'll find out tomorrow after this sit in the fridge for about 18 hours, and we'll put it on a grill and see what happens.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, our lamb has been marinated overnight, so we're now going to try 2 methods to cooking them. One is using a griddle, one is air frying. So I'll take 2 from the wet marinade and put it on top of the griddle. I'll also take 2 pieces of the dry marinade. Now on the air frying rack, also add our other batch. done 2 batches. This is the air fry batch with the wet marinade and the dry rub. This is the grilled version, again with the dry and wet. We want to see the difference between the two. Also gonna sprinkle some of the leftover seasoning that we ground up yesterday. We'll give it a try. Start off with the air fried, the dry rub version. Still really moist. You can taste the spice. There's no gaminess at all. I'll give the wet one a try. This one is sweeter. I think it's actually more moist. No gaminess at all. Really good.
I actually do like the dry one better.
I like the wet one better. Now we move on to the grilled version. This is the wet. I think it's the surface is less crispy, but still good. Lastly, we will try the dry rub grilled version. This one's amazing. So we'll finish our meal and let you know at the end what we think of all these. So far, everything is amazing.
Hi, we're back. We finished the meal, and then let Alex show you.
We ate everything.
We killed everything. So we both agree the best one is the air fry dry rub.
That one has the most. That one has the best texture, and I think the wet marinade is very flavorful, but it kind of overpowers the taste of the lamb.
Because the wet one is a little bit sweet, and it kind of doesn't taste like lamb anymore. The dry rub retained the original flavor of the lamb, and it wasn't gamey. The air fry makes it a little bit crispy on the outside, inside still very moist. So we're definitely gonna make this again, and we're gonna go with the dry rub air fry.
See you guys.
See you guys.
And we're gonna make it 2 ways. One is with a dry rub, and one is with a wet. Slicing these into individual. We'll start off by slicing these into. So here I have some fruit stuff. That one has the most. Has the best text. That one has the best texture, and I think the wet marinade is very flavorful, but it kind of